I will talk about how can you add ATMs to cards on your Temu app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here and here. So you're looking for any items you want to add to your cards. I'm going to click here to this, for example, just click on it to this watch. So it's going to show for us like this. So then you just click here on here, you add the last few here. So and here can you just click here, go to your card, then it's going to show for you on your cards here on your team app. So that's all you have to do to add your ATMs to your cards. That's all. I wish you a great, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.